Hi, I'm Megan. I'm a mom of three and a lover of good quality products, especially kids' products. Today we're unboxing a Melissa and Doug ice cream playset. Let's get right into it. Okay. So this playset has 12 pieces, is geared for ages 3 and up. I have a 4-year-old and I have a feeling that he would really like this. Because he also just really loves ice cream. So let's get this out. Okay. Just open it. Just like that. Okay. This is really cute. So let's start with this cute little box here. Okay, so it looks like this is a container that you would put the ice creams in. There are 4 different flavors: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and mint chocolate chip. This is really cute. This even has nutrition facts on the side. I love that. I think it's just really cute when a company takes into account just even simple little details like that. It makes it more realistic and more fun to play with, in my opinion. So we'll put that off to the side. Let's get the ice creams out. So, like I said, four ice cream flavors. Pretty good ones too, if you ask me. It looks like so these and they're magnetized. Oh, that's awesome. So these stick right on top of each other, so you can stack them. I love that. Who would not like a 4-scoop stack of ice cream like that? How fun. And it comes with 2 ice cream cones. These are really, I don't know if you heard that. These are really good quality ice cream cones. They're made out of wood. Definitely have a little bit of weight to them. Feels really nice in the hand. So we can just kind of stack those on. And again, there is also a magnet in here, so these stick right on. It's not falling off. That's a really good magnet. I love seeing that. Comes with a cute little scooper. Very cute. This is made out of plastic, but it seems pretty well made. Let's see how this would. So you'd stick it on. Oh, wow. That's holding up both. That's a really good magnet. That's so impressive. Oh, I was not expecting that. Oh, cool. Okay. And then you just release. That is so cute. I love that so much. How adorable. Now, if you're not a cone person, you get a little cup and a cute little wooden spoon. Super cute. Let's test that. Let's test that out. See how many scoops we can get inside there. Okay. 1. Oh, maybe it's harder to get both off at the same time. 2. So cute. Very cute. You can just pretend to eat it. Super adorable. Pretend like you're at the ice cream shop. Love it. And then we have an order card. That is really cute too. Melissa and Doug items, I believe, usually come with kind of a card of sorts that kind of helps facilitate the play. So you can kind of pretend like you're actually in an ice cream parlor or a restaurant. On the back, if you want to, pick the different scoops, you can select which ice cream flavors you want. Super cute. This is made out of plastic. Pretty thick, hefty plastic. I wouldn't be worried too much about my 1.5-year-old, let's say, tearing this apart, or if he bit it, it's not going to break off in his mouth. So that's awesome. Let's see how these all fit in here. I really like this set. This is really impressive. Yeah, super cute. Would go really well with a little play kitchen or completely on its own too. Excellent work, Melissa and Doug.